Alright folks, we're in sport mode here. So let's see what this puppy can do. That was about 30 some odd miles an hour, so here we are, we're taking off. Woo! We're baking. There we go. Hopefully we're above all these poles. We're at about 72 feet right now. Let's take it up a little higher. Get it up to about 100 feet here. There we go. Now I feel a little safer. Oh, look, we got some water over here. There we go. We got GPS signal. Let's bring it on back now. We're going 31.8 miles an hour right now. Let's bring it down low. 140 feet, 120, 106, 100 feet, 88 feet. Let's go over here and follow this traffic a little bit. We're at 88 feet. That should clear any type of power lines or anything. Let's just see what we can do here. Alright, let's go over here over this water. We're in sport mode, so we have no avoidance of anything. We're at 70% battery, 88 feet. As you can see, we're moving along a pretty good clip. We're doing 31 miles an hour right now. Let's bring it over here right in front of where I'm at. We're just totally FPV right now. Let's bring it over. Looks like we're clear for landing. Bringing it down. Bringing it over. Woo! There she is. I'm not going to look up. Now I'm going to switch out of sport mode. I'm going to come in close. See if I can land right in front of myself. And then we're going to call it a day because we haven't crashed. We're going to land right here. 6 feet. 5 feet. Pan up. Okay. 4 feet, 3, 2. It's not going to come any closer, but if I switch it back, now we're back in sport mode. Now it'll let me grab it. Now turn it on side. And it'll shut off. It's a good flight, folks. Woo!